Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to another episode of what you should be doing in your garden this weekend, or what you can be doing in your garden this weekend. I am not one to school you. It looks like, even though today is really warm, that it looks like the weekend's going to moderate a little bit. So great weather for going outside and doing a little fall cleanup, or dividing perennials is an excellent thing to do right now. There are several that this is the best time to divide them, and that would be iris and also peonies. These are the times when they respond the best to digging and splitting, and so certainly you can go ahead and do that. If you've got clumping iris, you can just dig the whole clump out and slice it with a shovel and then move it around. If you have German iris, you'll want to treat those rhizomes you can cut back the fans, dig up the rhizomes, and then just cut them into sections. As long as there's some roots and a fan, you can go ahead and plant that. As far as peonies are concerned, they have tubers, which is a similar kind of root storage thing, and you can pull those up and move those around it as well. Also, it's a really good time to divide your hostas and also daylilies. And if you're thinking that you want some more daylilies in your garden, we do have them on sale this weekend through Sunday, 20% off on all daylilies. Another thing that is kind of seasonal, not ready to plant yet, but now is the time to buy garlic. This is seed garlic, and it looks like, just a really large head of garlic, which it is, but these are all named varieties. This one's called Montana Giant. This one with the musical note is called Music. And what you do, and you're going to want to wait to plant these until we get a frost, but you get the best availability right now. And what you do is you just sort of take this apart and separate out the cloves, and then you plant the cloves. Sunny spot, dig the trench about 6 inches deep, plant these about 6 inches apart, and come summer next year, end of June, early July, this will turn into this, which is super exciting. I think it's a really fun crop for kids. It doesn't require a lot of maintenance or energy to it. Just pop these in the ground in October, and in July you have fancy pants garlic. And if you've never had like a roasted German porcelain, or one of there's one called Chesnick, you have not had garlic before. So really fun thing to do. Also, I just want to say that trees, all of our evergreens, both potted and balled and burlapped evergreen trees and shrubs, are 30% off starting today. So that would be something else you could do if you're looking in your garden and you need to plug a little hole with an evergreen, or you want to create some kind of coverage for any bird watching or bird feeding that you're going to do this winter. Now is the time to come in and have a really good selection on evergreens and save 30%. So that's all for this week, and we'll stop back with you next week. Happy summer gardening from all of us here at the Bruce Company.